Hello people, so this particular video should go down in history. No, I mean basically it's the fourth attempt of making the very same video for this one show called Khwabon ke darmiyaan. Now, like, no, basically the show is, you can watch it on Z5, the app, and it's a UAE based show starring Aryan Vaid and other people. And basically that's what this show gives you a glimpse into life in UAE. So those of us who will probably never travel to United Arab Emirates, a show like this gives you a glimpse into life there. So really people, like, the very opening shot of this particular series has been quite interesting, like, it's about this very tense looking Indian woman walking the streets of UAE, and she's going towards this office. So what I feel is, if the opening scene of any particular serial and all is interesting, you would want to watch the rest of it. So try and catch it, people. It's called Khwabon ke darmiyaan, huh? And it is on the Z app. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.